Career expectations for non-technical workers are compounding. By 2026, proficiency in your core job is only the baseline. You are also expected to navigate an entirely new ecosystem of artificial intelligence tools stacking up on your desk. Companies are adopting these technologies at a pace that far outstrips their internal training programs. This shifts the entire burden of technical adaptation onto individual employees. Industry experts have identified 10 specific AI competencies required for the modern workplace, ranging from basic prompt engineering to complex multi-layered data analysis. Most professionals have a full-time workload and limited mental bandwidth. Attempting to master 10 distinct technical disciplines simultaneously is impossible. To identify a starting point, we can calculate the return on investment for each of these 10 skills by weighing the effort required to learn them against their actual impact on your career efficiency. Attempting to learn every skill at once leads to paralysis. Success requires a targeted upskilling plan that focuses on specific, high-value outcomes. Prioritizing these competencies ruthlessly is the only way to secure immediate workplace value without suffering from career burnout. This ROI evaluation matrix measures the effort required to master a skill on the horizontal axis against its efficiency impact on the vertical axis. The bottom left quadrant is the zone for low effort and high immediate output. AI literacy and digital productivity land here. These require minimal time to learn. Master the basic syntax to use AI for scheduling, meeting summaries, and note-taking. Prompt engineering is the final piece of this foundation. Learning to write clear instructions lets you generate higher quality outputs immediately. There is a trade-off in this quadrant. Because these skills are easy to acquire, they are becoming commoditized. Employees will soon expect them from every candidate. Mastering these fundamentals is a survival requirement. They secure your current position, but they rarely lead to a significant promotion on their own. Deep organizational change happens in the top right quadrant, the zone of high effort and high output. This is where we place data analysis and problem solving. These skills have a steep learning curve. They require the difficult work of connecting AI tools to complex internal datasets and learning to interpret those results accurately. Mastering these competencies allow you to automate stagnant corporate processes and build the efficient workflows your organization is actually looking for. Moving to the top left, we find the verification layer, moderate effort with crucial output. This quadrant contains research skills and ethical use. AI can pull information in seconds, but you must build manual frameworks to audit those outputs for factual hallucinations, privacy violations, and bias. This rigorous auditing process slows down initial production. It requires the discipline to avoid simply copy-pasting what the AI generates. When you combine the processing speed of the analytical engine with a strict verification layer, you create safe, actionable strategy. Employers value this combination more than raw speed. The final quadrant represents the true differentiator, the core human premium. This space is occupied by creativity, communication, and content creation. AI is capable of producing competent first drafts, but it lacks the capacity for strategic oversight, relationship building, and nuanced storytelling. Success in an AI-heavy workplace requires a mental pivot. You must shift your perspective from being a producer of tasks to being a director of AI capabilities. Human soft skills serve as a multiplier. They turn generic, automated outputs into persuasive, high-level innovation that a machine cannot replicate. The matrix only becomes useful once you apply it to your current career stage. We can break these recommendations into 3 paths: the beginner, the optimizer, and the specialist. For professionals feeling overwhelmed by the technology, the beginner path focuses exclusively on fundamental skills. Ignore advanced analytics for now. Use AI tools for exactly 15 minutes a day to summarize a document or draft an email to build your technical confidence. Mid-career professionals looking for efficiency gains should follow the optimizer path, focusing on data analysis and problem solving. Identify the specific bottlenecks in your department. Use AI to eliminate those manual workflows faster than your colleagues. For writers and creatives, the specialist path emphasizes prompt engineering and verification. Use the software to clear the blank page hurdle. Then dedicate your energy to the human polish and communication that AI can emulate. Employers in 2026 are paying for the person at the steering wheel and the person on the brakes, not just the engine itself. Survival in the modern workplace depends on providing the human context that algorithms lack.